How Sigma males use technology to their advantage. Do you want to be like Sigma males who use technology to their advantage, who control technology, and who don't allow technology to control them? Sigma males are the type of men who are in control of their own lives, and one of the things they use to keep control is technology. Technology has become pervasive in our lives, and your encounter with technology begins from sunup to sundown. The very first thing most people do when they wake up is to check the time on their mobile phones, and they probably set the alarm to wake them up on their mobile handsets in the first place. Your use of technology continues while taking your hot bath, while using a coffee maker, and preparing your breakfast. Whether you work in an office or work from home, a computer, desktop, or a laptop is indispensable to the modern world of work. Your computer is loaded with all sorts of applications that make your work easy. Technology drives you back home either using the subway or your car. Back home from work, you settle in front of the television and enjoy the latest shows before you settle in for the night. However, unlike other people who have become slaves to technology, Sigma males take complete control of their lives and choose how they use technology to become beneficial to them instead of being a burden. Here are 10 ways that Sigma males use technology to benefit them that you can learn from. 1. Take control of your time and schedule. Sigma males use smartwatches, Android phones, and other technology tools to take control of their time and schedule by using it to create their plans to keep track of their day and productivity. 2. To track their to-do list. Technology helps Sigma males to keep track of their daily, monthly, and annual to-do lists by assisting them in keeping these in view and even ticking off those they have accomplished. 3. Helps their can-do spirit. Sigma males have a can-do spirit and are never shy of taking on challenges that others might be afraid of. They use the necessary gadgets and technology that help them to push forward toward their goals and plans, and this gives them the certainty of accomplishing them. 4. To see beyond their horizons. Being intellectuals and curious by nature, Sigma males use technology such as the telescope to see beyond their horizons, gazing at the stars and the moon, and meditating on life's mysteries to find solutions to many of life's problems. 5. To heighten their sense of observation. Being very observant in nature, Sigma males take note of the minutest details of their surroundings, and one technology that helps them do this is the camera, still, and video. They also use these technologies to capture their environments and to interact with the world around them. 6. To become independent and self-sufficient. Sigma males do not like to depend on others and always want to be self-sufficient, and they use technology to achieve this. For instance, carrying about a switchblade, a jackknife, or even a gun helps the Sigma feel protected and ready to face any danger on his own, and a razor blade and solar panel help them deal with life in the wild while having alone time, something they love to do. 7. Freedom from material burden. Sigma males use technology to free themselves from material burdens and loads when they travel. They like to read a lot and at the same time travel light, and one technology that helps them do that is carrying around an e-reader, such as a Kindle device, loaded with hundreds of books instead of carrying hundreds of paper books. 8. To foresee things before they happen. Sigma males are very perceptive people and can foresee a disaster or loss before it happens. They therefore use technology such as a hard drive, cloud, and Google Drive technology to back up their documents, pictures, videos, etc. against possible loss. If, perchance, they lose their equipment along the way to theft or damage, they can always be rest assured that they have a backup somewhere. 9. To tune off from the world. Sigma males love to be on their own and often use technology to tune off from the world around them. To do this, they use music and podcasts, plugging in earphones to tune off the world around them. They also use music for inspiration and to entertain themselves and to enjoy solitude. 10. Using computing talent and know-how. Sigma males use computing know-how for research to make the right decisions about anything and everything, whether it's buying a new technology device or investing in a stock or property. A laptop helps Sigma males do the research they desire to make the right decisions, and it's also a way to carry their work and office wherever they go. While it's true that Sigma males use technology in these and many other ways to their advantage, they're also digital minimalists, meaning that they only use those technologies that serve their nature without allowing them to overwhelm their lives and choke them. Technology has become all-pervasive in the life of the average individual. Our phones are switched on and constantly connected to the internet, while computers have also become indispensable work tools that we use 9 to 5, with the TV on in the foreground and music in the background. Thus, technology consumption becomes an addiction and makes concentration difficult, but not for the Sigma male, who understands that you need to control technology and not allow it to control you. So their focus is on using technology to achieve their goals and not just for leisure activity. Do you know other ways in which Sigma males use technology to their advantage? If so, please let us know in the comment box below, and make sure to subscribe to and support our channel. See you next time.